Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I have a very special tutorial for you. In this tutorial, I wanna show you exactly how to create school presentation in Canva. Super free, super easy, but seriously, this video is for you if you are a teacher, a student, an employee, pretty much anyone who need a presentation for any reason. This is for you. Honestly, the only person is not for is the like 0.000 who have much complicated Microsoft PowerPoint. And inside Canva, they have completely done templates for you. Just fill in the blanks, and these are just templates like the have inside in PowerPoint. These are beautiful templates. Right now I am talking about the presentation. You can see here the various types of designs are also present on Canva. So this is easy way to create a presentation, a Instagram post, posters, thumbnail, etc. inside of PowerPoint. Now I am searching a presentation. You can see here various type of presentations or in the search bar: love presentation, sales presentation, personal business card, mobile first presentation. Now I am searching presentation, so one of them I wanna be select. Now you can see beautiful presentations are also in the form of templates. You can just select them and only fill in the blanks, and you can create your own favorite presentation designs. Now I am selecting a presentations for school. You can see here quiz time, so I wanna be added some of them in front of you. Now in this place we wanna be use our channel name informative high school. So you can change everything, like quiz time. If you want to change this, select them and type your own text here. Hope you understand what I want to show you in this video. So please enjoy the video. Please adopt these steps, and hopefully you will create easily an presentation from Canva. And I hope this video is fully helpful for you. When you done the presentation, then click on the save button, and you can also choose your favorite format from the save option. You can save this presentation in the form of PDF as well as PNG, as in your favorite size. So now our presentation is ready, and hopefully you very well understand how to create a presentation and Canva. Here are very many options: first round, second round. So you can easily create a presentation from here. So now I am finishing this design. So in this video I also show you how to create a business card from Canva. So we type here. Now we select business card from here. You can see here you can also use your name, your skill, your phone number, your email address, your residential address to create the business card. My name is Fahad, so I will put here Mr. Fahad, a YouTuber. So in the below you can also add your number, your email ID, your residential address. In the second page you can also use your institute, your business card name in the second page. So my channel name is informative channel, so I can put here my channel name. So I hope you very well understand how to create these easy designs from Canva instead of PowerPoint. So it's my request to you, please support us, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, and please also submit your opinion in the comment section. So please subscribe our channel because it's our new channel and we need your support for growing. Hope you enjoy the video and this video is very beneficial for you. So wait for the next tutorial on Canva. In 2 to 3 days we will upload another tutorial on Canva. So please keep in touch with us. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in next video.